absolutely dying here.
Not yet.
We're about to have our first class.
Or maybe a little bit more.
I bounced off.
Okay, this is a very typical reaction when you live in the Netherlands. Today is Monday, and even though I don't have classes at the university, I do need to take advantage of that time in order to get some things done, and you are gonna be doing that with me. Whenever I feel like I have to do a lot of things and it makes me overwhelmed pretty quickly, I try to write it down in order for me to be able to cross it all out later the old-fashioned way. This is the list. And we will start with the planning of the months because this has to be full. I need to know where I can go somewhere and plan more trips, because when you're an exchange student, it is extremely important to embrace as many adventures as possible. So this is one of my ways to do that. And guys, you need to see my travel. By the way, I have been receiving some questions from the students of my home university, but also some other students asking me like, oh, how many studies do you have? Just so I can show you the first months, everything in purple and lavender, it means that it is studies. Yeah, planning, but I'm gonna fulfill only November and maybe a part of December so that I know when I can travel somewhere, because I really wanna go somewhere. I'm gonna sound bad, but at the same time, planning is something that makes me feel like I'm in control of everything, like I am truly in control. It is not though, but that's fine, we can survive.
It's 11:33, I guess, right? Oh, okay. So let's see how much time it will take me.
A little bit of a trip. I forgot about the music. I don't want to get banned. Once again, my friend is coming to visit me in less than 2 weeks and stay here, so we'll have some fun, and I will film that because that's gonna be an impressive and a really fulfilling week, so stay tuned.
It's 11:58, almost 12, and I have my schedule not only for November but also for December, and here will be my holiday so I can plan something.
Maybe go back to Lithuania and see my family and friends, who knows?
One thing about me is that I drink loads of tea throughout the day, and this is something that keeps me going, so we're gonna do it now. Let's go. This one. Monitoring the statistics.
Nice! Plan the week or the month is done. I'm gonna edit the video for the store of pajamas. They have the best pajamas, I'm gonna say that.
Boom, 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 boom. I really like the ending. This is amazing, and if you want to check it out, of course I cannot promote it, but still, it's called Macmillan Afternoon Grooves Coffee and Spliff. This is the person who is responsible for this masterpiece, because this is something that keeps me going in terms of work. Boom.
I have successfully finished the video for my university account, and I would love to show it to you without the music, because otherwise I'm gonna get banned, but still, this is something that we do. I love it.
I'm gonna use one tortilla, a little bit of cheese, 2 eggs, a little bit of oil, and then a frying pan. Focus. I'm starting to lose my concentration, so I'm gonna move to the creative task of looking for the posters, and then to editing, and then sport. I have edited and posted one more video for my Instagram account, and I'm gonna post it to YouTube Shorts as well. And now I have a migraine, so I gotta cure that, and I'm gonna kill it with some Pilates. Boys and girls, I might on that mat, but it's gonna be good.
So sorry, my sincerest apologies.
Yes, please, because I'm actually dying. She's incredible. I loved about our social media because I was looking for a Pilates instructor for quite a while, and then I saw a video from the girl on TikTok, and she recommended this girl, and she's absolutely amazing. Like, you can see that I'm a little bit tired, but it was an amazing workout, and I can't wait to go to the shower now. I am gonna say that it has been pretty successful. I'm gonna still find the posters and most probably do the last one. So, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. We together with Serena already walking to the university because we have classes in like 20 minutes.
Yes.
Yes, and I have already been to the agency because I remember that today is the 28th, which means that I have to pay for the next month. And it was fun. Let's go. We have hangouts and today we will be designing our tote bag. Are you excited?
Yes.
Incredible. Let's go.
The sky's the limit, bitch.
What do you think about our today's Lego class?
It's also very creative, I think. An instant way to express your art. Our model of our team. And that's me.
Amazing, incroyable, incroyable.
So funny.
Aber trotzdem cool, es gesehen zu haben. Ja, weil es oder sagen wir. Einen Tag sind wir mit auf die Küste.
Yeah, for like 2 minutes or something.
So a little bit of workout. It's gonna be for the vlog. Or maybe a little bit more.
Oh my god.
What is going on?
I can't.
Total bag.
So Serena's turned out to be really good.
Yay.
Mine is a disaster. I'm not even gonna show it to you. I'm finally home. I'm exhausted, but it's okay. It's okay. We will survive. I'm just gonna cook some dinner and relax. Maybe do something in regards to my work, but it's just a maybe. Wednesday is gonna be shot on an iPhone because my back is hurting so much and I cannot carry my camera all week around. So let's go. Today we have VR classes, also some other tools, I don't remember the name, and also main classes, and then work in the evening. Let's go!
Going up the elevator now.
Bounced off.
Oh my god, that is reindeer. Can you use this one?
Incroyable.
Oh, I can't touch the reindeer. I'm scared.
I'm home. I'm exhausted because we had loads of talking and loads of thinking today, but I think I will try to find the strength in order to stand up and go to the kitchen and make something for myself. But I also had a call with my friend and we bought some tickets to somewhere, and I will let you know where exactly a little bit later in the next Dutch Diaries episode. And what else? Yeah, and for the rest of the evening I'm gonna do something, but I'm not gonna be filming that because that's too much. Good morning, everybody! Today is Thursday. We have had our breakfast. Did you have your breakfast?
Not yet.
That is a tragedy. I think I have had my coffee, that's why I'm so energetic. And we have classes until 2:30, and then I have a Zoom meeting, and then we're going to a party. Yay! Let's go. We're about to have our first class. I have no idea what it is gonna be about. It's gonna be about world building or brand universe, I guess. I'm already home and it was a pretty productive evening because we established our deliverables for our team, for our project, and we also marked the relevance, as well as we again brought up some new ideas which I really liked, because it feels like constant brainstorming how to enhance it and how to make it feasible, but that is something that actually gives you energy instead of taking it, because I feel energized except for some things, but it's my own thing. And now I'm gonna be editing this vlog because I have to start so that it will be easier at the end of the week. And then I have a class that I'm leading, and then we go to a party. No, I'm going to my friend's home. We get ready and then we go all together to a Halloween party, even though today is not Halloween, but that's okay. And I like my outfit today. It's like these, and then this, a present from my friend. I really like it. And yeah, the hair is hairing, but I have to wash it. Это будет в новом влоге обязательно. Good morning! This is the Friday debrief of yesterday's party. First of all, my knees are not in the best condition right now, but it's gonna be fine. We had lots of fun, even though we stayed only for 2 hours and a half, I think. And the music was okay. It could have been better in some cases, but some of the songs were definitely on point. And I think that I truly enjoyed it due to the fact that there were my friends there. If I would have been there alone, I would be like, I'm freaking out. I'm not going to a party again. So we'll see how it goes, and I just love you guys.